So today we're going to make an exciting summer salad with oranges, prawns, chilies, olives and some beautiful cherry tomatoes. Let's go! So firstly we're going to chop some of the vegetables before we quickly give it a stir fry. Let's go. Now I'm going to stir fry the chopped veg. Bit of olive oil in the pan. I'm going to add some chili flakes. Then I'm going to add my chopped veg. A nice squeeze of lemon. A bit of sea salt, Lecce olives, a quick splash of balsamic, I'm going to add a bit of sun-dried tomato paste, just a bit, I'm going to add some capers. Right, give it a good old stir, and then I'm going to add the prawns. Till the prawns are cooked, a few minutes. Right, so we're going to plate up the dish now. Place a little circle around which we're going to place our lovely warmed orange and pepper salad. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of the basil oil in the middle of the dish. Give it a bit of colour, look nice and vibrant. I'm going to add a bit of fresh basil as well. Just scatter it along the dish. I'm going to place the prawns in the middle of the dish. Green Nutella olives on the sides. They're lovely olives. I love these. So much flavour. So there you have it. Your chili and orange salad with some beautiful king prawns.